How to make chocolate lava cake. Ingredients for chocolate lava cake. 30 grams fresh butter. 60 grams dark chocolate 70%. 20 grams all-purpose flour. 60 grams of sugar. 20 grams cocoa powder. 1 chicken egg, 1 egg yolk. 1 teaspoon vanilla flavor. 1 pinch of salt. How to make chocolate lava cake. 1. Mix chocolate with fresh butter. Then put it in the microwave for 40 seconds, then take the chocolate out and stir. Then rest the chocolate to cool down. 2. Prepare a mixing bowl, add 1 egg, and 1 egg yolk, then use a hand whisk to break up the eggs. Then put sugar into it. Stir well to dissolve sugar. 3. Put the reserved chocolate into it. Then stir well, then add the flour and cocoa powder, sift and stir. Then add vanilla flavor and ground salt. Then stir well. 4. Grease the baking cup with butter. And pour the cake batter into it. 5. Put the cake in the oven at 220 degrees Celsius. Use only the bottom heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Preheat the oven first. 6. It's time to take out the cake. Set aside for about 1 minute before removing the cake from the mold. Ready to eat.